Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about Newton's three laws of motion. So we're going to be taking notes in notability. So at the top of your page as the heading, please write this as the note's title. And reminder, if I'm ever going too fast, you can pause the notes and write down what you need to write down. Also make sure you're using the split screen feature so you can watch the notes and copy them down at the same time. Here we go. For Newton's first law, please write down this. It is an object at rest remains at rest, and an object in motion remains in motion at a constant speed and in a straight line unless acted on by an unbalanced force. So go ahead and write that down, and then we'll talk about what that means. Okay, for example, let's just look at the first part. An object at rest remains at rest. So that means this rock statue right here will remain at rest, not moving. It'll remain this way forever until an unbalanced force acts on it. So for example, until an animal knocks it over, so a force is applied, or the wind knocks down the rock. So until a force acts on that object, it'll stay at rest that way forever. Okay, let's look at the second part. An object in motion remains in motion at a constant speed and in a straight line unless acted on by an unbalanced force. So if we throw the bowling ball, it'll keep going in a straight line due to the push from the person, from the throw. And it'll keep going that way forever until it slows down due to friction and then eventually the pins. Okay, just make sure you have this part written down. This part is optional. Okay, let's get two more definitions. Okay, you already have this part. I want you to write down unbalanced net force. So when the forces acting on an object are not equal, therefore the object is accelerating. So for example, with the bowling ball here, we can see that this force is greater than this force. Therefore, these are unbalanced forces. They're not the same amount. The force from the throw is greater than the force from the friction. So this object, the bowling ball, is accelerating. It's speeding up. And then the last thing you need to write is balanced net force. When the forces acting on an object are equal, the object is not moving, or it's moving at a constant speed. So for example, with the rock statue, gravity is pulling down the same amount as this rock is pushing up on it. So this rock statue is not moving, so the forces are equal, and you've got a balanced net force. And that is it for today. Thank you.